Another really interesting piece of evidence of evolutionary processes is called biogeography. And this is a idea that it's based on the knowledge that our continents haven't always been where they are now. And even the geological features of our continents haven't always been where they are. Take a geology class and you will learn lots of like, whoa, that's so freaking cool. Our continents are floating on lava and they're moving around in the oceans. And what is it, 220 million years ago, the continents were all together. They were touching. It was literally one big block of land that eventually broke up and separated. And what they found is that in the areas that used to be touching, the critters, the fossilized critters are the same. You don't see them in other places. So you see relatedness that you wouldn't expect to have evolved independently in various locations. But if you imagine that it all evolved at the same time and then spread, the continent spread throughout the planet, it makes sense that you see these similarities in the fossils, which is really cool.